Nueva. Bistro Cave.
Paella de Valencia.
Paella. Paella.
Paella. Plazuela de Santa Isabel.
Dada, this is Plazuela de Santa Isabel. This is a memory of Manila. So 100,000 innocent victims was died during the Battle of Manila. Men, women, children, up to babies, we must pray. Dada, this is a CBCP Catholic Bishop of the Conference of the Philippines.
Catholic Bishop Conference.
This one, very old.
With Rome.
Yeah.
Oh, we back.
Thank you.
Spain. Españoles. This is the old buildings.
All the bank is here. Oh. India, Chinese.
Shopping.
This is Ayuntamiento, Casos Cristoriales. Before, this is the first Manila Council, but now is a Bureau of Treasury. That one, this is Palacio. That one, this is the Plaza Roma. During Spanish time, we have a cup fighting and food fighting. This is Manila Cathedral. Manila Cathedral, this is the second oldest church in the Philippines. Earthquake, typhoon, bombing, and fire. That this is Palacio Gobernador. Before, this is the first Malacanang Palace or White Palace. But also an election. So this is Fort Santiago, the national hero with 300 years, 51 years.
Ate, tumingin ka.
Very nice. So is the governor house ito mo ito? Hindi na po, commission and election na po, Comelec. Oh, Comelec house.
Sa kabila.
Ayun, sa taas na.
Ito. Umakyat kami pa ganun. Ang init, sobrang init.
What did we do in the commission in Sulbang? The Sulbang, ha? Sulbang. So that one, this is Baluarte de Lao. You see the 14 Spanish canyon, the top of the wall. That one, this is a engineering school,
Mapua University.
Technology. Mapua University. Mapua.
Dito tayo kumain, Jackie.
That one before, this is a prison, but now it's a restaurant for students.
Oo. Prison yan, no? Ang papandak noon, no? Mantala ngayon, nagtataasan.
Mga lemang preso.
Oo. Siksikan. Mantalang noon. Ano pala dito sa ano, no? Historic place. We ride kabayo. Horse.
So that one, this is the Fernand Aquarian. Before this is the first Chinatown or Binondo.
Oh, ito pala. Corala.
Yes.
Chinatown?
So that this is a dormitories for students.
Oh, this is the dorm for the student. Ayoko mag-dorm dyan, may multo. 75 years. Wall-to-wall, ha? Wall-to-wall.
So that one, this is the second oldest university, Colegio de San Juan de Letran, built in 1620.
1620, built in 1620.
Yes po. This is the Mother Ignacia del Espiritu Santo. So that one, this is a
Corella.
And that one, this is destroyed during Second World War II. The wall destroyed in Second World War II.
Tignan mo yung prisuhan nung baba na niya.
So that this is a prison cell, prison. Now, this is Baluarte de San Andres. Before this is a gas work storage during Spanish time.
Oh, look. Dito na tayo makita namin. Oo, diyan sa baba. Kanyon. Dito noon? O, sa kanyon.
Doon sa kabila yun.
Ah, sa kabila ba yun?
Yeah.
Ah, sa kabila pala.
Ayun o, may umaakyat.
The wall of China. Yeah.
We have a great wall in the Philippines. So this is a private office of Manila Bulletin, the printing press.
Until now?
Until now po.
Oh.
Kaya dapat
Yeah, Manila Bulletin. It's new.
huwag nilang pipinturahan o ano para ma-preserve yung pagka-antik niya.
Oh, like when we
So
went to...
this is Manila High School since 1906 until now.
high school.
Yes po, Manila High School. Big
Muralia.
wall.
In Filipino is Muralia. In Spanish is Muralla. Muralla.
In Ilocano, moralidad.
Look ano po yun.
Muralla.
this is a original bullet holes and part.
Oh yeah, maraming ano. Oh.
Data, this is a presidential person.
During the second World War.
Puerto Real de Bagong Bayan, Dr. Jose Rizal to walk here after parents got in Rizal Port.
Oh, here.
This is a front of Manila University. So that one, this is a Dole, Department of Labor and Employment.
Saan galing po mga estudyante?
Diyan, sa labas. Yan ang highway. Asan si Jojo? Ay, kala ko.
Magbibigyo. Adol. Department of Labor and Employment. Hanggang ngayon?
Hanggang ngayon.